Today unboxing is on the latest Mini GT, the Land Rover Defender 110 with the Red Bull LUKA theme. This is the third variant of the Land Rover Defender. The very first edition is the UK Camel Trophy winner, followed by a light-hearted light blue edition with surfboard. The Defender is no doubt one of the most popular casting from Mini GT. A few more variations are rolling out as well. Looking forward for the Camel Trophy Dirty version, and also the Defender with the UK Royal Mail poster theme. And now let's take a closer look at the latest Land Rover Defender 110 Red Bull LUKA. I believe the Red Bull LUKA is a Taiwan event car. You can see the distinctive Taipei skyline on the background, the most iconic being the Taipei 101 Tower, a very striking and fierce icon of the LUKA to feature with the Red Bull. The traditional Chinese character Yong represent courage. License information including Mini GT authentication sticker. It's a left-hand drive casting. Nice details as always from Mini GT, realistic grille and headlights, together with the Defender marking. Car plate number is also printed, which is great. One thing to note, the spotlights on the roof are not plastic inserts, however they are printed in foil, so it still looks quite impressive. Striking Red Bull logo against the semi-gloss black background. It's a solid and heavy casting that's very good to hold. Painted details on the rear are comprehensive. The spare wheels are identical to the wheel sets with rubber tire as well. It doesn't come with accessories like the Camel Trophy winner, so you are free to explore your creativity on what's going on the roof during diecast photography if you want. Very solid and sturdy up close. Door lines are clear with the very sharp Red Bull marking. Realistic wheel sets that rolls extremely well. The finishing on the rubber tires can be better. The details on the base is also very comprehensive. Visible door lines with elastic side mirror that is painted. Overall, the Defender is a solid casting. Majority are in die cast, so it's heavy. The paint finish on the body looks fantastic with a very striking Red Bull logo. I'm very sure the Red Bull Defender will look fantastic in diecast photography or even on your desktop. Stay tuned for more Mini GT unboxing, and remember to head on to my second channel, Hot Customs Unboxing, for more contents. You can refer to the link down below in my comment section, including my bio, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks everyone, bye!